What's going on, y'all? Probably been a minute, right? Hey, well, good news for this little lady. She getting her new shoes today. Some rear sets. They're super low, as you can tell. The back one is leaking. So I'm gonna show you the only way to go get new tires. I gotta turn around. Uh-oh. I gotta turn around. Hello. Ooh, wow. It's for YouTube. Back tire getting real low. This is season of opportunity. Oh, you spending $1,000 on some tires. I'm finna make the most of this last minutes with my tires, man. Y'all hear that? Tires. This shit is still leaking from out of nowhere. This right here. Should we cook them some more, gang? So the first place didn't have these damn tires. I gotta go scoot down the street and see who else got these. All right, boys. So that's just luck. I went to 2 tire shops, both of them done got my tire size, and originally I also just wanted to order my tires online, just like how I got these tires, because they are special order size. So it looks like that's what I'm gonna just have to be doing. What's going on, man? I'm not sure what the hell we picking this up at where we left it off. It's a whole new day. Let's check out the tires. This is how the tires are looking. I say we gonna burn them some more. Step 1. Whose marks are those? This is crazy. Made it to our destination. I don't know how. This one still got some life. Shouts out. Damn. So I did have a nail in it. I still had some burnouts left in them. Damn it.